Today I'm going to show you exactly how I style my hustle wig. Now I just washed this, so this is what it looks like air dried, but let's add a little curl. I like to style my wigs on a cork head, and then I section off the hair using the wefts as my guide. I'm always sure to apply heat protectant before any heat styling, and then I take a 1-inch Babyliss ceramic curling iron to start curling. Working in small sections, I clamp the curling iron about midway down the hair and wind it around the barrel as I pull away from the wig. I always leave about 1 inch of hair loose at the end, and as I release the curl, I wind the curling iron down and around. This gives you more of that beachy wave rather than big and bouncy curls. I also always curl the hair away from my face as I work my way around the wig. Another tip is to run the curling iron over the hair to kind of heat it up before curling. This helps you avoid any of those clamp marks that can sometimes happen when you're using a curling iron. Once the curls have cooled off, then I lightly brush them through. You can also apply some product here if you want to, and then let's take a look at the finished product. Check out the Hustle wig.